Hi, are you in the market for a brand new or certified pre-owned vehicle? And are you on YouTube right now watching all kinds of videos trying to make the best decision possible? Well, I got great news for you. My name's Trevor and our dealership is bringing to you the world's first YouTube video remote. This is gonna blow you away and you're not gonna want to miss it. So that's right, folks. We are here live from our dealership for the next 3 days, bringing to you some of the biggest deals of the year on new and pre-owned vehicles. Not to mention, we are going to pay you more for your trade than any other dealer in the area. Now, coupled along with our great financing rates, you're going to find that you might be paying less money a month for your new vehicle than you are paying for what you're driving right now that you don't really want to be driving anyway. So click the Join the Party Now button. I'll be on the other side with a few members of our staff to tell you exactly some of the great deals you can look forward to over the next couple days, and tell you how to get your free gift and upgrade allowance voucher. So click the Join the Party Now button, and I'll see you on the other side.